You know, the two gentlemen here who like taking serious extremes, the question here is a legal question versus what NASA feels to be a moral question. What is the legal question? Is the president substantive in office today? Now, according to the law, yes,
he is. Come to that. What I wanted is your overview.
No, so I'm giving you the overview, and that's what I'm coming to. The second question that NASA is raising is because they feel there's been no election, then the president does not have a moral space to be there. But here's the question. The question is, when we accepted the Constitution, what we learned from in 2007 was the fact that we never wanted there to be a gap. So what did we do? We divorced the parliamentary system from the presidency, divorced Senate from the presidency, divorced the county governments from the presidency. Our Constitution espouses the idea that our country should be able to move forward regardless of who is at the top. And that's the most important thing. So for me, I was proud of our democracy, that we were able to hold ourselves together despite having an issue, okay, caused by the courts at the top office. That's the most important thing.
Define holding ourselves together. This is Parliament. You have people from the opposition not there. You have the judiciary not represented.
You know, the truth is, you are a journalist, okay? And let's correctly understand our parliamentarians. How many times have bills been passed when there were 30 people in parliament?
Okay.
You understand? Our parliamentarians, let me finish, have a habit of missing parliament. Okay?
It's not the same, Mark. Come on.
I know it's not the same. But I'm trying to say that missing parliament in our country is a matter of course. We do it all the time.
Missing and boycotting are two different things. Alex, wait. Alex, this is my show. Come on, Kavins. So you said they didn't refuse. They decided to boycott, right? But before I even get your sentiments on that, I want to listen to what Moses Wetangula had to say with respect to NASA legislators not showing up and what the president had to say when he was meeting Kamba leaders on the same. Could we listen to that? Okay, so we are trying to see if we can get that clip for you. Moses Wetangula just giving reasons why he was saying the NASA legislators will not show up, and the president also making statements to that respect, something that actually angered a lot of people. So, Kavins, let me get back to you.
There's something I want to talk about which Alex Gatundu talked about.
Okay.
He was telling us how the parliament was full and Jubilee's majority in that assembly, and so NASA doesn't even have to go back there. They can boycott it for good.
I did say that.
But I need to tell you, Alex, the MPs we have in this National Assembly, the senators we have in the Senate, these are production of a computer system. The votes that Kenyans got out early in the morning on 8th to cast for their leaders did not reflect here. Okay. And this is not something I'm saying as an opinion. This is something I'm saying according to the evidence that the Supreme Court used to nullify President Uhuru Kenyatta's.
As usual. No, as usual.
So these people